Hi guys, we are reviewing this product from this brand Yooy. Okay, so this is a mouth irrigator, so will stop and prevent bad breath, will remove the teeth plaque, and also is 3 times has the cleaning effect of a traditional floss. So interesting product. This is what you get inside, guys. Okay guys, so this is the product. As you can see, it's pretty good quality, to be honest with you, and this is what you get. So you have to have in consideration that you won't get the charger, I mean the plug of the charger. You will get only this USB-C. You can use any charger like the iPhone or whatever charger to plug it in, and you will get all these heads for different type of irrigation for your mouth and tooth. So this one is pretty interesting, and to be honest, looks very good quality. So this was the product Joy, and these are the buttons that, as you can see, looks very good quality. So yeah, definitely a good recommendation.